Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Kraken in Aura Craft. Begin by collecting core auras and elemental essences, then find a stable summoning circle and a calm crafting environment. Prepare binding charms and set lunar phase timers to steady your aura flow. Focus on layering energy slowly and check resonance frequently to avoid backlash. I'll walk you through common errors and quick fixes to ensure a successful Kraken creation experience. Collect all materials before you begin to avoid breaking concentration during the ritual. Use a focus crystal with clear markings to anchor the Kraken's essence and keep elemental essences separated until layering. Prepare binding charms in order of strength and mark the summoning circle with clear runes. Have healing salves and food offerings within reach to calm the creature once summoned. These steps reduce risk and speed up successful bonding. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more crafting content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're comfy on long crafting sessions and won't distract you during delicate summoning steps. Seriously, better socks mean steadier hands. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start with a clean summoning circle and attune your aura until the focus crystal hums steadily. Slowly introduce elemental essences one at a time, watching resonance levels and pausing if feedback spikes. Use binding charms in ascending strength and recite the chant at a steady breathed pace to weave the Kraken's will to yours. Offer calming food and apply a stabilization talisman to finalize the bond, then observe behavior before full release.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.